This video is supported by AC Infinity. Yo, what's good everybody? It's your big homie, Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a video all about the AC Infinity Controller 69. It's a smart controller that will allow you to control all your AC Infinity products with one device. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Before we get started with the video, if you're interested in getting the Controller 69 or any of the other products that AC Infinity offers, go to the website aceinfinity.com, use the code Bassdropkeys. That will give you a 15% discount on any order, excluding their new Grow kits. The Grow kits are so heavily discounted already that they will not give you an additional discount on the Grow kit bundles. But everything else, use Bassdropkeys and you'll get 15% off your order. Now, the AC Infinity Controller 69 is a digital controller designed to equip AC Infinity devices with smart controls to produce the optimal environment. You can control up to 4 devices, from your fans to the grow lights, and provide each with their own independent programming. You can automate devices and dynamically change the speed and brightness levels in response to the temperature and the humidity. You also can do additional programming that includes grow cycles, scheduling, timers, minimum and maximum levels, and custom transitions to mimic sunrises and sunsets. One of the great things that I like about this system is that you can connect with the AC Infinity app via Bluetooth. You can unlock advanced programs, set alarms, notifications, and view all of your climate data right on your mobile phone. The reason why I was interested in this device is I'm interested in trying to automate as much as I can in the growing process. Because this controller has 4 ports, what I'm doing is I'm plugging in the 2 AC Infinity lights that I have, the inline fan, and the clip fan all into the controller so I can control all the devices at one time. A lot of the other controllers that I looked at cost over $300 and don't even have half of the functions of the Controller 69. And also, did I mention that the Controller 69 is only $69.99? That's right, $70 for this great controller, and if you use Bassdropkeys, you'll get a 15% discount. We'll talk about the controller more in the future because we are about to start the new AC Infinity Grow right here on the channel. And as you guys can see, we'll also be talking about the Auto Pot watering system, who has sponsored the channel as well. So guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am Bassdropkeys. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.